your latissimus dorsi muscle, your lats. But you might find this movement difficult in the first stages, so a great replacement is doing lateral pull downs. Now, when performing a pull-up, what you want to do is you want to grab the bar a little outside of shoulder width. Once you're in this position, you're going to keep your body nice and tight, and you're going to pull yourself up, bringing your chest as high as you possibly can. Now, you may not be able to bring your chest all the way up to the bar, but you want to get it as close as you can before controlling the movement and letting yourself go to a dead hang at the bottom. You then repeat this movement for repetitions. At its base form, this is what proper form of pull-ups looks like. Now, a lot of people don't know what a dead hang is, and it's a big mistake. A dead hang is where you fully disengage from the exercise. So when you fully disengage from the exercise, you'll notice a slight change in your back. And you'll notice a lot more stretch in your lats. If you get to the bottom of a movement and you can still feel your lats are engaged, that's actually not the bottom of the movement. You want to feel that deep, nice stretch in your back and lats. It's very important. Now, always train in full range of motion, guys. So you don't want to be cheating. Always progress in this movement. So add on weight over time when you feel comfortable with doing so. And avoid power leaks in your core. So this means keeping your core tight, flexing your glutes, and crossing your legs. This is very important as it will help in avoiding swinging, and it will create stabilization, and therefore hitting the lats will become a lot easier. Now, on lat pull downs, you'll be hitting the back and mostly the latissimus dorsi muscle just as good. But your arm placement should once again be a bit wider than shoulder width, and your feet should be firmly placed on the ground. And from there, to correctly perform this movement, you want to keep your elbows slightly in front of you and then in line with your hips as you pull down. This is going to give you more pulling power, so more strength to pull more weight, and it's also going to place your shoulders in a position where they're not compromised and you don't have to worry about shoulder impingement. You want to keep your chest up and your lats pulled back and locked in a position where you can therefore pull comfortably. So remember to squeeze your back at the bottom of the movement, and when you release the weight back up, do it slowly. Don't just release the weight fast, keep tension on your lats, and slowly release where you fully disengage at the top to get a full stretch, just as I told you on the opposite exercise, which was pull-ups, where you fully disengage at the bottom. On here, you disengage at the top. Now, keep in mind that on both these exercises, use your mind to muscle connection, feel the muscles burning, contracting, and you'll know you're doing it correctly.